children, this is Jyoti Arya. I am here to teach you SST on behalf of Jyoti Academy. Today we will start chapter 1. Unit 1, our country, and chapter 1 is our country, India. Firstly, we will discuss the chapter and understand the chapter, and then after we will solve the exercises. So firstly, read the chapter carefully. India is a beautiful country. Children, India is a very beautiful country. We all know India is famous all over the world for its beautiful rivers, ocean, mountains, etc. So India is a very beautiful country. It is one of the oldest civilization in the world. We all know India is the oldest civilization. Children, civilization means a society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life. Okay, so India is the oldest civilization in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Children, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also a general knowledge question. You have to learn it. Which country is the 7th largest country? Answer is India. It covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometer, extending from the snow-covered Himalayan height to the tropical rainforest of the south. The area of India is 32,87,263. Extended means in Hindi फैला हुआ, from the snow-covered Himalayan height to the tropical rainforest of the south. It means हिमालय से लेकर ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट उष्णकटिबंधीय वन. हिमालय से लेकर उष्णकटिबंधीय वन तक फैला हुआ है इंडिया. ओके, एज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, इंडिया स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ एशिया. बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, सो इंडिया स्टैंड्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ Asia. Okay, marked off as it is by mountain and sea. We all know India has a distinct recognition because of mountain and sea. Marked off means पहचानी जाती है, चिन्हित की जाती है. So India is known for its mountain and sea. Okay, which give the country a distinct जियोग्राफिकल एंटाइटी, जो एक डिफरेंट पहचान देता है, जो जियोग्राफिकल एंटाइटी बनाता है उसको माउंटेन एंड सी, विच गिव द कंट्री अ डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स डिफरेंट, जियोग्राफिकल एंटाइटी मीन्स एग्जिस्ट करना, विच गिव द कंट्री अ डिस्टिंक्ट जियोग्राफिकल एंटाइटी, जो माउंटेन एंड सी उसको एक डिफरेंट जियोग्राफिकल एंटाइटी बनाते हैं. ओके, because of its distinct identity means different identity, India is also referred to as a subcontinent. In Hindi we called subcontinent Upamahadeep. India is also referred to as a subcontinent. In the map of the world you are seeing the location of the India, and the neighbor countries of the India is Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Sri Lanka. These are the countries of the neighbor countries of India. I hope you understand the chapter, and next para we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.